AniGreens. Why does a dog need this? I don't know if you guys know this, but animals have to have greens. A lot of times they'll eat grass or different things in the environment that have pesticides or GMOs or simply aren't healthy for them. This is for animals starting at 1/4 of a teaspoon in their food, where they can eat this to really help their overall bodies. It is estimated that most animals never get enough greens in their diet. It was very important to be able to support animals so they could detox their body, clean their body, and then support their body with natural things like barley, spirulina, green banana, and a lot of other greens. It was important to help them get what they need in their diet so that they could live the best life possible. They can't fight different types of worms and parasites and fungus. They can't fight bacteria and viruses if they don't have the right greens in their body and vitamins and minerals. This is an important product to use every day with your animals so their digestive system works, so they can think better and they can live better. This is for them, and this is also for you so you can enjoy your pets as long as possible.